Another great days guys, welcome again sa aking YouTube channel. Halika at pag-usapan natin si TD Bank na kung saan ay pwede kang kumita daily ng passive income. Ano nga ba si TD Bank? Si TD Bank ay nag-launch noong March 11, 2025. This program is long-term and legal based on them. TD Invent is our enterprise approach to innovation and supports our business strategy as a forward-focused bank. It's about using emerging technology to engage with our customers and exceeding their rapidly evolving expectations. Paalala, ang video na ito ay hindi nanghihikayat na ikaw ay sumali, ito ay para lamang na nagnanais na kumita at mag-put ng risk. Investing online is a high-risk program na kung saan ay pwede kang kumita at matalo, at higit sa lahat ay mas please be vigilant and do your own research. Paano nga ba kumita at kikita dito kay TD Bank? Una, kailangan may buy ka ng share sa kanilang system at dito ay pwede kang kumita daily ng passive income. Narito ang kanilang mga complan. TD Bank and Child Hope Philippines Foundation. Daily income can be withdrawn daily. Purchase amount to share is 200 pesos. Cycle 1 days. Total income is 240 pesos including your capital. You earn 40 pesos in 1 day. Living the dream for low income grade 6 students. Daily income can be withdrawn daily. Purchase amount to share is 500 pesos. Cycle 3 days. Total income 630 pesos including your capital. You earn 130 pesos in just 3 days. Feed starving children. Daily income can be withdrawn daily. Purchase amount to share is 800 pesos. Cycle 5 days. Total income is 1,104 pesos including your capital. You earn 304 pesos in 5 days. Cancer treatment for 20 children and 30 women. Daily income can be withdrawn daily. Purchase amount to share is 2,500 pesos. Cycle 7 days. Total income is 3,200 pesos including your capital. You earn 700 pesos in 7 days. Give dropouts a change to go back to school. Daily income can be withdrawn daily. Purchase amount to share is 5,000 pesos. Cycle 10 days. Total income is 6,600 pesos including your capital. You earn 1,600 pesos in 10 days. Paano mag-buy at mag-purchase share sa kanilang program? Dito may dalawang pamamaraan para makasali. Una, kailangan meron kang GCash at PayMaya. Homepage ng website, makikita mo ang deposit, click mo ito. Ang minimum deposit na pwede mong i-deposit sa nila ay 100 pesos using your GCash and PayMaya wallet. Then type amount na gusto mong i-deposit, then click deposit, at automatic magre-redirect ito sa inyong GCash or PayMaya. Once na nabayaran mo na ito, automatic ito ma-credit sa inyong account, makikita mo ito sa inyong balance. At once na nag-reflect ito, pwede ka nang mag-buy ng share sa TD Bank. Pumili lamang sa limang ating nabanggit. Example, ang na-deposit mo lang ay 200 pesos, click ang TD Bank and Child Hope Philippines Foundation, or click ang details information nito. Then makikita mo dito na meron description kung saan mapupunta ang binili mo or na-purchase mo na share sa kanila. Para makasali, click ang join sa ibaba, at once na nag-success purchase ka na, at para makita ang iyong contract, click naman ang mine sa ibaba, tapos click mo naman ang financial orders. Dito mo makikita ang iyong plan details at kailan ito matatapos or mag-matured. Congratulations para sa pauna mong invest or share sa company. Kung natapos naman ang iyong contract, paano mo naman ito mawi-withdraw? Una, kailangan mong i-link ang iyong wallet, click ang mine. Then click add card. Fill up the bank name, GCash or Maya, or anong yun available bank na meron ka. Bank account, ito yung number ng card mo na kung saan dito de-deposit ang withdrawal mo. Card holder name, pangalan mo na same sa bank wallet or account mo. Sa homepage makikita mo naman ang withdraw button, click mo ito. Then type minimum amount or 100 pesos based on your wallet balance available, or pwede mo naman ubusin ang wallet balance mo if meron ng laman, at ang maximum nito ay 550,000 pesos per day. Ang oras ng pag-withdraw ay magsisimula ng 10 morning hanggang 10 evening ng gabi. At papasok ito sa iyong bank wallet na tatagal ng 1 minutes up to 24 hours process. Based on my experience, tumatagal lang sa akin ng 1 minutes to 5 minutes or depend sa dami ng nag-withdraw. Then click withdraw, para makita kung success ang iyong withdraw or failed. Click records na makikita sa right side ng iyong monitor. Ito ang proof na legit ang program na ito at talagang nagbabayad sila ng kanilang payout. First day of my success, withdrawal amount is 280 pesos, received 274 and 40 centavos. Kung tatanungin nyo ako, worth it nga ba mag-invest or mag-join sa program na ito? Please be vigilant and invest. You can afford to lose. This video is not a financial advice and always do your own research. Kung risk taker ka naman, pwede mo siyang try. Makikita mo ang aking referral link sa description ng video na ito, or download the application. Use my referral code D3KFD221MU. Kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video topic ngayon, please pa-click naman ako ng subscribe button, and also pa-click naman ako ng ring notification bell, para updated ka naman sa mga bago ko video na pinapalabas, and also hit the like, share and comment. Malaking tulong ito para sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you.